Hello everyone, welcome to class 4 of Python tutorial series. In today's class, we'll be learning about operators in Python. Types of operator we'll see there are four types of operator, basically arithmetic operator, logical operator, comparison operator, and assignment operator. We'll see in detail what are they and how it works. So not wasting much time, let's begin with today's class. So let's start understanding the basics of operator. What are the operator? What are the types of operator in Python we have? So in Python, operators are special symbols in Python that perform operations on values and variables. For example, we have variable x plus variable y. So x and y are variables, but the symbol which join them together, the addition sign is nothing but a operator. Okay, this value, let's suppose we have 5 plus 2. Okay, so 5 and 2 are values and plus sign is nothing but operator. Okay, and this 5 and 2 are known as operands. So Python supports a wide range of operators. Okay, so we have the very first type of operator. We already know the basic arithmetic operator, that are addition, subtraction, division. Okay, so these are the example of arithmetic operator. So what does arithmetic operator means? Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations. Okay, so these are the examples of arithmetic operator: addition, sum of two numbers; subtraction, difference between two numbers; multiplication, the product of two numbers; division, the quotient of two numbers, or it can be more than two also; modulus, remainder of division; exponentiation, power of numbers, means x square, x cube, x raised to 4, x raised to 5. Okay, you can find out this. Then floor division, which only take the integer part of division, not the decimal part. Okay, if you have a value like 36.5, then it will show you only 36, not the 0.5. Okay, so that means the floor division. Then, so here you can see in Python, this x, y are nothing but the operands, and this plus sign is nothing but operator. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus means remainder, then power, then floor division. Okay, all this operation, arithmetic operation, you can do in Python. The basic operations we already know, but Python also has these three different operation, which also included our Python programming language. Okay, then the next type of operator is nothing but a comparison operator. So what does it exactly comparison operator means? Comparison operator are used to compare two values. They return a Boolean value. Boolean value means either true or false. Okay, so how it works, let's see with the example. So these are some types of comparison operator: equal to, double equal to, not equal to, then greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, here you can see x double equal to y means the right hand side value is same as left hand side value. X is not equal to y means this exclamatory sign means not. X is not equal to y. Then x greater than y, x less than y. Let's learn with example. Let's suppose we have x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 3. So variable x has value 10 and variable y has value 3. Now, if you print x double equal to y, it will give you out. It will give you an output of false because x is not equal to y. 10 is not equal to 3. If you write print x is not equal to y, it will give you output true. Okay. So Then if you write print x is greater than y, if you want to compare two things together, if you either you want true or you want false, then that time you can use this operator. Okay. Uh, because we already know x is greater than y, 10 is greater than 3, so it will give you an output of true. And so, okay. So likewise, comparison operator works. Then number 3, we have a logical operator. As name says itself, a logical operator uses the logic. It Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. So what are these conditional statements? Let's see. So there are two conditions here. Okay. The first type of logical operator is AND operator. And the next type of logical operator is OR operator. Okay. So AND operator has condition that it should be both the statements must be true, and OR operator has a condition at least one statement must be true. Okay. So let's see with example. For example, and returns true if both statements are true, x is greater than 5 and x is less than 15. So here both the statements are true. Then it will check if both the statements are true, it will give you result true. Or returns true if at least one statement is true. X greater than 5 is true or x less than 2. Either this statement should be true, either or this statement should be true. Then not reverses the result, returns false if the result is true. Okay. For example, we have value of x 10. Okay. If you want to print x greater than 5 and x less than 15, here it will give you and final result output of 15 and true. Because it is checking both the conditions. Here both the conditions are true. That is why it is giving the result true. Here it will check x greater than 5 or x less than 2. Here it will check again. At least one statement should be true. Then it will give you result true. Here, not x greater than 5, not x greater than 5. Here both the statements are not for following the rules. It is not same. So it will give you false. So that's how logical operator works. Then we have assignment operators. Means assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Okay. So how it works? Let's see. Example of assignment value. Assignment operator is equal to means assign a value x is equal to 5. Okay. So here variable x has assigned value 5. Then addition is equal to adds and assign means if it is written x plus is equal to 3, that means x is equal to x plus 3. If it is minus is equal to subtract and assign, then x minus is equal to 3, then x is equal to, it will consider x is equal to x minus 3. Multiplies and assign, same. X multiplied is equal to 3 means x multiplied by 3. Same, it will go same way, divides and assign, modulus and assign, floor divides and assign, exponentiation and assigns. Okay, exponentiates and assign. So here it will find out the power of value. X double multiplication is equal to 3 means we are going to find out the power of 3. Okay. So here you can see different types of assignment operator. Plus is equal to, minus is equal to, multiply is equal to, divide is equal to, then modulus and assign, floor divides and assign, then exponentiation and assign. Okay, these are the example of assignment operator. Let's learn with the example. Let's suppose x is equal to 10, then x plus is equal to 5. It will give you result 15 because 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. Then minus 3, it will subtract 3 from this 15 and it will give you result 12. Then multiply by 2 means it will multiply this 12 by 2. Then same. Divide 4. It will multiply this 24 by 4 and it will give you result 6. It will take only 6 point. After decimal, it will not consider in floor division. Okay. So that's all for today. We have completed the four types of operators here. In our next class, we'll be learning about the variables. Thank you so much for listening me patiently. See you in the next class.